and put on the YouTube. Okay, so this is Jack. Okay, and happy the Moon Festival. Okay, and today is Friday, 2017 October 6th, and we're going to have the non-farm payroll day for tonight. Okay, and let's look at some pairs, and I'm going to touch about the. Oh yeah, first of all, this is a trade that I published I think yesterday, right? In TradingView in yesterday. Okay, so if you can see that I'm using the price action plus the supply zone or the structure to identify a very good entry for the Kiwi, and we shot from the we shot from here. Okay, after this ping, right? This is a ping bar, the ping bar testing the previous structure. So this is ping bar, and we short after that, stop above 0.7210, and this is our first target hit and the second target. Right now it's 0.7098, and look at the daily chart. The Kiwi dollar has already broken the very important support zone here. Okay, this is violated totally. Okay, so this confirm the putting a double top, right? And this may give your intention that the Kiwi dollar may continue to fall into this ABCD patterns. Okay, all right. So it may go to 0.70. All right. So you can keep it dollar short, or and it may even fall even lower. Okay, it may go to 0.66. Right, because that is if you're using the Fibonacci level from the low to the high, okay, you can see that 0.6741, right? This is 618 level is likely to touch, okay, and let's go to see the DXY. Okay, DXY has been strong for the recent, almost 1 month. Okay, and we successfully identified the DXY's lowest point. Okay, is here. Okay, from 91.51 onwards, and we saw a very nice hammer. Okay, this is hammer plus engulfing. Okay, so this is a reversal sign, and it pulls back to the 618. Okay, this is a very perfect 618 trade. If you catch the 91.64, okay, here, okay, it's ready and pull back to 61 and go all the way up. Okay, so the DXY has very obviously has already broken the downtrend channel. Okay, sorry, sorry, I shouldn't use this one. Let me use this one. Okay, so if we use the high, we connect the high, okay, and to the low. Okay, we can see that this is a downtrend channel, and it has already broken up. Okay, so it is likely for the DXY to continue up. Okay, and right now 94.15 is kind of a resistance area. Okay, and it seems like is completing this bad pattern. All right, this is a bad pattern. Okay, yeah, so it may force or may retrace a little bit, and then finally we break up. Okay, because this is a neckline, potential neckline. Okay, so if this neckline was broken, was taken out, okay, you will find it will be easily to have this one-to-one move. Okay, for this double bottom, right? We go to 97.19. Okay, and from the Fibonacci view, I have mentioned this many times already. Okay, the DXY is going to 95.90 first, and then 98.93. Okay, these two level, 382 and 618. Okay, so just be careful. Don't short DXY. Don't short dollar. Dollar is strong. Okay, dollar is strong, and dollar is in a low location. Is going to, to take back all the levels. Okay, it may go into this neckline here. Okay, that will be a strong resistance area. Okay, so DXY we want to find pullback in the long. Okay, all right. Okay, let's go to euro dollar. The euro, we have a very nice trade. We have a nice trade in the last, I think, in FOMC meeting day, right? If you remember. And I did the live trading sessions on the FOMC meeting, okay. And I said that 1.1994, okay, this is a very nice 618 shorting, okay. You short once, pull back to the same area again. This is what we call the two try rule, okay. First try, second try. Okay, first try rejected, second try rejected, and forms a lower high. So this is telling you that the DX1 will go, the euro will go down. And look at the short we catch. Okay, you can see that it's perfect, right? From 1.20, okay, and just go down to 1.1. Yeah, it just hit the first target. Okay, it first hit the first target. Okay, so who traded euro short and who is still holding? Let me know. Wow, Yagnesh. Okay, wow, they're very good. How many lots you take? One lot, two lot. Yeah, even if you just wow 5 lots, well that's a lot. Okay, 5 lots, 1.19 to 1.16, 90, 200 pips. Congratulations, you earn 10K, right? You earn 10K. Oh, Mr. Imran, 4 lots, right? Very cool. Okay, so what you can do is, since you already have very big profits, right? Take half of the profit, right? Because you can see here the euro having some support at this level 1.1662, just like the DXY. DXY has this resistance, so euro having this strong supporting area. Okay, typically you can use this as your supporting zone. Okay, so from 1.1618 to 1.1650. So this one is telling you the euro will still have some downside room. Okay, so you can still hold, but you can take some profit at no problems, right? Because you take some profit. First of all, you earn money. Okay, you put the money into your pocket. Secondly, you reduce your position size, which actually reduce your risk, and even the price going up, you're not so worried about that. Okay, so the euro is forming a top. Okay, however, I want to emphasize that don't short at here. Okay, don't chase a price. Don't You should short at high. Don't sell at low. Okay, so today's non-farm payroll, what we have is, okay, three scenario. First scenario, okay, the price goes down first. Okay, I think this is going to happen if price goes down first, okay, and have some bounce or have some support from 1.1621 to 1.1653, and price may start to rally a little bit. Okay, this is the first scenario. Second scenario, okay, which is not so likely to happen, is the euro directly boom, it just break 1.1618. Okay, third scenario is the euro just flips up to 1.1874. Okay, this level. Okay, 1.1850 to 1.1833. I remember last time when I say that the euro, if pulls back to 1.1860, you should short, right? And you can see that this is a perfect pull breakthrough, pull back to the structure and short, right? If you take this trade, it's so good. It works so well. Okay. So we have three scenario for today. I think it may goes down first. Still having two. All right, good, very good. Okay, so just watch the price. If it goes to this area, it may have some bounce. Okay, and bounce to 1.17, and then it may goes down again. Okay, second scenario is it just directly break through the 1.16. Third scenario is the euro may goes up first and go to 1.18 30, I think, no longer 50, 30, and then it goes back. Okay, so no matter what, you want to focus on sell the high. Understand? We want to focus on selling the euro. okay? Because you can see the downtrend has started. The trend line is broken. The euro's uptrend is definitely broken, right? It's violated no matter how you draw, it's broken. Okay, you can see here, yeah. No matter how you draw the line, it's already always broken. Okay. All right. So you want to sell the high. Okay, but we do have some support about 1.1650. So don't sell at the low. Sell the high. And or sell the breakdown. And pull back. Okay. Understand? Yeah. Reply me by 1 if you understand. Uh-huh. Okay, let me see what happened. Okay, cool. So because, okay, let me just, we go to the higher time frame, we go to the daily chart and we see what happens, okay? You will see more clearly, okay? This is a tremendous up already, okay? It all the way to 1.2070, okay? And go to weekly chart. You can see that in the weekly chart, what I see is the euro just completes a pullback for the weekly's neckline. Let me just highlight to the, sorry, I have to change the VPN because the speed is really slow. Go to weekly chart. Oh, who is hands up? Who is handing up? Samuel and Henry, okay? Yeah, what happened? What? Any questions, Samuel and Henry? Okay, let's go to weekly chart. If you cannot hear me, you should go to click use your computer's audio device. You need to use the audio device like this. Should be here, okay? You should use your computer's voice setups, okay? All right, guys, look at the weekly chart. Did you see that the euro has just touched the weekly neckline here and here? I'm marking these two this zone, okay? So 1.1876 to 1.2042, okay? This is previously from 2010 to 2014, okay? 4 years neckline here, okay? So this is telling me that if this level is not going to break up, okay, it will be a strong resistance, just keeps selling the euro, okay, because the institutional players are more than happy to sell the euro at a high. However, the retail traders are chasing the price. The retail traders, you can see the bullish momentum, and when it reached into this selling zone, the buyers are still very, very strong to buy. But what happened next? They were trapped, right? They were trapped by this gap, and here this already reversed, okay? Sure, you can ask any questions if you want, okay? So Mr. Imran, you can send your question here. And Rick, okay, no worries, I will touch dollar yen, no worries, okay? But I would just want to highlight you guys for the higher time frame analysis, okay? So don't consider euro as bullish right now because it have already completed the pullback, and this pullback, it may become a pivot point for the euro to further go down, okay? All right, so this is a very, very critical level for the euro. And go to the daily chart, you can see here this triple top is formed, right? Neckline was broken. It looks like to continue to make lower low and lower highs, Okay, so what our strategy is to selling the high, selling the pullback. Okay, that is the reason I want to highlight you guys that you want to become a seller for the maybe the next 6 months. Okay, because from the time cycle wise, we know that you can see here the date range. Okay, from 2017 January, that is from January to right to September. Okay, 248 days. Okay, so if we copy that, it may just go to another equal time. Okay, so that would be 2018 May. Okay, it may just 4 and 4. Okay, so that is what I see the markets. Okay, because what is a trend? Trend is from the high location to low location. So high location is here. Okay, this is high location because this is a strong resistance. Okay, and what is a strong support? Okay, all right, you may have some strong support from 1.05. Okay, so this is high, then this is low. Okay, this is high and this is low. Will euro go back to the origin of the upside move? Yes, it may. So the trend is the move of the path from the high to the low. Okay, so if the price goes from the high location to the low location, it forms a downtrend, right? And right now we are catching a beginning of the downtrend. So finding some pullbacks to short. Okay, this is what I want to mention. Okay, because fundamentally the dollar is strong, and the dollar is going, the Fed is going to hike the rate. There's one more time in December, and in the next year, maybe 3 times, and eventually in 2019, maybe another one-time hiking rate, and they want the Fed is going to increase the rate to 2.75%. Okay, that is very, very high. Okay, that is very, very high. Okay, so the dollar will go strong, the euro want to keep the short. Okay, and the same for the sterling dollar. Sterling, okay, that is a beautiful sell after the FOMC meeting. Let me just this is okay. In my live trading session on that day, I saw that, okay, this is a piercing candle. It is a fake breakout and engulfing formed. So you should sell the pullback. Okay, and the pullback really give you the chance is here. Okay, you can see that it pulls back to the same area here. Okay, very nice pullback, and this one is your sell. You sell one time, you sell the second time is here, another pullback. Okay, or you can use the 618. You can see here, you can use the 618 to short 1.343544, and you can use the structure sell here. It breaks down and pulls back to the structure, and then you can see that, okay, 1.3450 is really strong resistance. Okay, and then it just breaks down all the way. It have some support at this level, but the price only rally a little bit, right? And right now, sterling just keeps falling. Okay, so yeah, if you have some shorting or some selling position at the 1.35 or 1.36, congratulations. Okay, don't buy it, because if there is going to become to form a pullback or form a bounce, it's just a bounce. It will eventually still goes down. Okay, and what my view for the sterling is, you need to see the big picture. Okay, guys, do you see that this is a beautiful bottom at here, 1.20? Do you agree? If you agree, reply me by 6. All right, I love number 6 because the 6 in China means lucky. Okay, do you agree? This is a very, very good, strong support of their structure or bottoms, right? Okay, so If we assume that 1.20 is the lowest point of the sterling, okay, and the 1.36 is the highest point, because you can see, look left, there's a gap, okay. The sterling already completed the gap, fill the gap, okay, exactly at the gap, okay. So the sterling has become, it tells us the range is from 1.20 to 1.36959. So we have to ask ourselves a question: is sterling going to pull back at least 618, guys? Is this possible? Right, this is the lowest point and this is the highest point in the year. This is the lowest point in the year. Okay, if the sterling is going to pull back, where it will go to? Okay, the answer is simple: 1.2573. Do you agree? It's high likely for the sterling to complete a double bottom, right? And this is we call a 2618 trade. It's really a very, very classic patterns, because we can see here the price. Okay, this is the first bottom is here, and this is second bottom. All right, break the neckline, goes up, and it may goes back to 618 level. So don't be so impatient. You want to buy the sterling, buy the dip. No, okay, buy the dip until to 1.2573, and which this gives you a hint that if you are having a sell position, you should hold it to 1.2573. Making sense? Right? So this is what we saw from the big picture, right? So we want to focus on sell, and when the sterling breaks this trend line, okay, it will goes down quickly. Okay, 1.25. This one have some support, but you don't want to be the first buyer when you touch here. Okay, you need to see some price actions. Okay, and it may further drop to 1.286 to the 76 level or 86 level to form a XYAB patterns. Okay, so our sterling still have a lot of a downside room. Okay, all right, let's go to the dollar yen. Okay, the dollar yen is strong, and dollar yen. If you are familiar with what I teach, the structure breakout trade, okay, and you can see here, the dollar yen, you have a very, very nice buying opportunity at 107.49, right? And look at it, the rally, right? You already earned 500 pips or 600 pips. Okay, this is a neckline, double bottom neckline, pull back to here. Okay, so what I feel is that there's no reason for you to sell dollar yen, because you can see here the long-term downtrend, the channel is broken. You can see here. Let's draw it. Yeah. Okay, you can see here the trend line is broken. So when this channel is broken, it may tells you the dollar yen may still goes up. Okay, so the question is when you should go into buy. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour chart. You can see here the dollar yen. Wow, it's really a nice move. Okay, I think we have catch a very, very nice dollar yen buying from 111.53. If you remember what I teach, right? This is a breakout. Okay, structure breakout. And wait patiently for the price to pulls back to here. Here it is. It pulls back, right? It really pulls back and touch. You can use the 2-try rule. First try, you don't buy. Second try, you buy. You have more successful rate. Okay, and this is a perfect from 111.53 and all the way to 113.20. Okay, and you can also buy this bad pattern here. There's a harmonic patterns here. That is you can buy from 112.42 that is also a very good entry. Okay, so today, since the non-farm payroll is coming, okay, you don't want to buy at high, you want to buy at the low. Okay, I won't say dollar yen is good to buy from here, because this is not a very strong support, it's a minor support. The strong support will be here, there will be from 112 level will be this area. Okay, because you can see this area have some buyers coming, okay, tested, and all the way goes up, and this is a retest but didn't touch. Okay, so I'm still waiting for the dollar yen to push back and to here, and you want to buy. Okay, but don't short. Okay, alternatively, you're looking for more upside room. You should be waiting for the dollar yen to close above 113.20. You need to see a strong bullish candle to goes up and pulls back, and you want to be a buyer. Okay, get it? So this is for dollar yen. All right, go to Aussie trade. Let me ask you, who shorted the Aussie from 0.8087? That is a beautiful structure short, right? This is so perfect. You can see the double top, okay, the M shape. This is M shape head, right? This is a neckline, and you can see here, right? Perfect touch, and go all the way. Wow, that's beautiful. 0.80 to 0.77. Okay, 300 pips. Okay, so Aussie dollar, similar to the Kiwi, it has already broken the uptrend. Okay, the uptrend is finished. Okay, so the Aussie will goes back to all the way, I think goes to 0.74. Okay, this area may not give you any support because it's already violated the uptrend. So when the uptrend was violated, it becomes downtrend. It will keeps getting lower and lower and lower. Okay, so you need to really to put in the same analysis from the sterling from here. Okay, from here to here, and you can see that the Aussie is going to go to is likely to go to 0.73228. All right. So you already have a catch a downtrend move. Okay, so what you can do is selling the high. Okay, and you can see there this structure was broken, right? Okay, so if today the Aussie gives you any pullback to the same area to here, 0.78, you can consider short and stop loss above this high. Okay, and you are going to catch what you're aiming is to catch another downtrend, to pull back short. Okay, all right, so this is Aussie, still very much downside room. Okay, Kiwi dollar already touched. Let's go to the dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD is a little bit different because the fundamental side, the Canadian central bank has already increased the rate. However, when they increase the rate, the price goes down, but it forms a V shape. Okay, this is what we call V shape. This is definitely a V shape bottom, right? Okay, the last bearish trend was totally broken. Okay, so it have some small resistance at these two level, 1.2663 and 1.2778. So don't chase a price. Okay, the dollar CAD has already become formed the uptrend channel. Okay, so you want to buy the dip. Okay, buy the pullback. Okay, so what I say is you need to watch for this level 1.2524, which is in the 1 hour chart is here. Okay, so wait patiently when the price to pulls back to here, and you want to buy. All right, don't buy at high, buy the low, sell the high. Now the audio is Perfect. Okay. Can you hear my voice, right? Can you hear my voice? Because I can, yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go to the weekly chart. Weekly chart looks like the the USD CAD is finding a very strong support from this level. Okay, from this level. This is a demand zone from the 215. Okay, and we're looking for a supply zone, or we're looking for a selling pressure zone here, which will be 1.3165. Okay, so what I'm feeling is dollar can be rally to 1.31. Okay, so you want to buy the dip. Okay, buy the pullback. All right. Okay. Lastly, I'm going to touch about sterling yen. Sterling yen is a nice trade we catch in the last week, right? Remember in our students group, and I said sterling yen, okay, has already failed to go to 151.60, and this is a neckline here. Okay, so when the price break down the neckline, pulls back to here, I believe Jonathan did the trade, right? Jonathan, did you? Okay, sure. Tapan is asking to cover DEX, no problems. Okay, so the sterling yen we short from 150. Yeah, it's from 150, and now it's 147. Okay, I think sterling yen may goes to 144. Right. DX. Okay, that is a German index. All right. Because right now, in the recent days, the all the stocks indices are crazy. Okay, look at the SP 500 2551. How about the Dow Jones? Okay, 22779. How about the Nasdaq? Okay, wow, it's all times high. Okay, all times high. So German 30 DAX is already broken the up, breaking the high. So don't short. Okay, if you are holding any short, you should leave it. I have already touched the gold. Sorry, let me touch about the gold. Okay, the gold. We are having a very nice trade in the last FOMC meetings. Okay, is here. I still remember it breaks down in September 21st. Okay, and within the breakdown, we catch the. I think I catch the pullback trade from 1305, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's here. You can see here because that is okay. Perfect pulling back trade. Okay, it pulls back to here. Okay, although you can wait for better price like the bad pattern. Okay, from 1312. Okay, so generally speaking is you want to sell the gold. Okay, you want to sell the gold, sell the structure, and it just continue to go down. And today the gold touched 1266. Well, do we have some support for the gold? Yes, we have. It's about 1259 to 51. This level have some support. However, I don't recommend to buy because in a downtrend, when the lower low occurs, you don't want to buy when the price didn't reach the lowest location. And typically here there is a cipher pattern for the gold. Okay, so just remember this cipher pattern telling you, okay, it may go to 1173. Sorry, 1172. Yeah. Okay, so it may just keeps going down. Okay, so what you should do is to find some pullback to short. And you can see here the gold just breaks a new low for today. And while I will be watching closely the price to go to 1272 to 1274, I'm waiting here to become a seller. I'm waiting here to sell the gold one more time. Okay, and that is a beautiful trade structure, pullback trade. You see here, 1290 breaks down. Okay, pulls back and short. Right, very simple. Surfboard, what's that? 1 hour butterfly. No, I won't take the butterfly. Okay, I won't take the butterfly because it's too dangerous, because it's still, as I mentioned, still making the lower low. I think the butterfly pattern is correct, right? You have the reason to buy. You do have your reason to buy. Okay, let me just check whether yes, from 1 to 63.35 to 1 to 65.70, you can trying to buy or catch the butterflies D point. Okay, that's okay, but you need to be sure that the downtrend remains. So even when the price goes up, typically when it goes back to 1 to 73, you want to take all your profit and become a seller again. Okay, yeah. So downtrend, we want to sell high. Where is the high? It's here, previous structure. Okay, this is a setting. This is another setting here. Okay, you sell the high, sell the high, sell the high. Okay, of course, in a short-term trade, you want to be on buyer. That's okay, no problems, right? But when you see that the price failed to make a higher high anymore, that tells you that the highs continue to getting down. Okay, getting lower and lower. So short gold, right? I'm bearish on gold to 1173. So for tonight, I'm going to look carefully about here, this place. I want to become a seller, or maybe I will use the 618 level for me to help me to get the point. Okay, 1 to 76. Okay, yeah. If the price did rally, I want to become a seller. Okay. Euro sterling. Euro sterling. I think that is a good trade for the seller from 0.93 here. Okay, but you can see here the euro sterling rallies up a lot, right? So it may going to touch this zone, 0.889, 80 to 0.9043. So you want to become a seller when the price goes up here. Okay, but when the DXY is going to be strong, I think it's not wise to take a cross currency. Okay, you don't want to trade euro sterling, because if you short the euro and short the sterling, basically means you are selling euro and selling sterling. You're making more money. However, if you are selling euro dollar or you are buying euro dollar, you are actually buy euro on the left hand and sell sterling on the right hand. One of your side is losing money, right? The other is making money. However, if cannot compensate the profit of this, the loss of the other side, you're not going to make money. Okay, so I'm thinking, I mean, it's okay to hold the euro sterling selling from 0.92 or 0.93, because that is a bad pattern. Okay, however, right now it looks like the euro is stronger than sterling, and you want to sell about 0.90. Okay, sure. No problems. Okay. Okay, so I think lastly, it's going to touch the SPX 500. Okay, so today's 2551. From daily chart, I really don't see any reason to short. Okay, it keeps going up higher and higher, and especially in the recent 1 week. Okay, it's every day is making a higher high. It's so strong. The only thing I'm looking for is this 1.618 level, or yeah, and 2 is here. Okay. Since the 1.618 extension is broken, I think the next target will be 2564. Okay, you can copy the number here, 2564.2. Okay, so if the S&P goes up to here, right? Look for reversal sign to short, but short with price action confirmation. Okay. Okay. Done. So that's planning for this non-farm payroll. Uh, I'm going to make a live session tonight. However, that will be in Mandarin. If you want to join, you can join at this level, this address, live.followme.com. But I'm not going to make a broadcasting on the website so often. Maybe just for once a month in a non-farm payroll day, because sooner or later I'm going to start my own website, and our new we call the YY is this. Okay, so you can I think it's two, if I'm not wrong here. Okay, you can, yeah, 271088. Let me just test. Yes. Okay. So it's www.yy.com/271088. Yep. Okay. So if you want to join my tonight's non-farm payroll, the live trading session, you can go to the live.followme.com to watch, but that will be Mandarin. Time it starts from 8 to 10. Okay, 8 p.m. Singapore to 10 p.m. Singapore, or 8 a.m. New York to 10 a.m. New York. Okay, so join my live trading sessions, and I hope that everyone are making money. Okay, just remember the trading logic is very important. Okay, you need to really to have strong reasons for every trade you have. Okay, only by doing that, you are becoming a professional trader. Otherwise, you are just trading blindly and trading randomly, so your results will be random as well. Okay, uh, I'm very happy that more and more students are joining my students club. Okay, so if you want to learn my course, because I think I have been in TradingView's top position for consecutively almost half a year. Okay, you can see here that this is me. Okay, right now I'm still the top, so I believe there is some reason. Okay, because I'm keep posting my ideas to the community, and I think my course really helped a lot of people. So you can join my students club. Okay. However, some bad news is the China's blocking WhatsApp. So so I have to use the WeChat. All right. But that doesn't matter. Okay. So you can go to my website to learn my course. Okay. You can learn the free one. You can learn the professional one. Up to you. Okay. However, you can drop me any questions if you want. Okay. I'm more than happy to answer you. All right. So that's all for today. Okay. Thank you guys for coming. And I'm going to publish the video recording to the YouTube, um, so that to help that the other people to be prepared before the non-farm payroll. Okay. Thank you very much. See you. See you. Bye bye. Next time. See you next time. Plan your trade and trade your plan. Okay. And make some money. That's my wishes to all of you guys. See you later.